1 BPM, beats per minute. Deep house typically ranges from 118 to 124 BPM. Start with a BPM within this range to capture the characteristic groove of deep house. 2. Drum. The drum pattern in deep house plays a crucial role in establishing the groove and rhythm of the track. Here's a general guide for creating a drum pattern in the deep house genre. Kick. Use a deep and punchy kick drum. This is the foundation of your beat. Place the kick on each downbeat 1, 2, 3, 4 to provide a solid foundation. Snare and claps. Place the snare on the second and fourth beats, usually a standard in dance music. Hi-hats. Use closed hi-hats to maintain a steady rhythm. Experiment with different hi-hat patterns, such as 16th notes or offbeat patterns. Add open hi-hats for accentuation, especially during transitions and build-ups. Effects. Use reverb and delay to create a sense of space and depth. Experiment with sidechain compression to create a pumping effect, particularly on the kick and bass. I used Electric Sunburst for the guitar and the blue preset. I created an arpeggio using patterns, consisting of 2 chords, G sharp sus4 and B major add 9, and an EQ to cut low and decrease harsh tones. The key is using the same guitar chords plus bass notes to fill the space and prevent the music from being empty. And it's a preset of 𝗠𝗔𝗞𝗘. Another guitar arpeggio in lower octave with G sharp and B notes to cover low, mid. And at last, a shaper box for sidechain melodies to make kick bold. I made 3 drum patterns. The first one has just a kick, crash, and a percussion. In second pattern, hi-hat and snap are added. And in third pattern, clap and second hi-hat. In deep house beats, long noisy risers are very common.